How to improve your English vocabulary in 10 easy steps. In many cases, rhyme and logic are missing from the English language. It has a lot of complicated terms like synonyms, homophones, homonyms, and other things like that, which makes it sound like it would be exceptionally tough to learn. You may expand your English vocabulary by using the same 5 methods that helped you acquire your first language: reading, listening, writing, watching television, and having conversations. 1. Popular literature. When you read illustrated publications, such as comic books and novels for children, you will be presented with pictorial hints that will assist you in learning new words. In addition, if you are reading popular novels, there is a strong probability that you will also be able to locate a translation of the text into your native language. 2. Relevant blog posts. Reading blog entries written in English about topics and pastimes that interest you is not only an excellent approach to get acquainted with new English terms, but it will also retain your attention. Listening. Listening is the way in which we first pick up new words when we are children, and it may have a significant influence on how we learn to pronounce and utilize new words. Learning may be accomplished in a myriad of different ways just by listening. 3. Music. Learning new vocabulary and being more familiar with the culture of English-speaking nations at the same time may be a lot of fun, if you do it via music. Find music that is in genres that you like and listen to it while looking for terms you are familiar with. 4. Virtual events. Attending activities that are performed in English, such as plays, sporting events, and exhibits, may help you pick up new vocabulary. Writing. Writing has emerged as an important skill for acquiring and making use of a second language in this era of the internet. Because writing is a one-sided activity, it is beneficial to have a digital writing helper at your side, such as Grammarly, to aid you in ensuring that your words flow smoothly. 5. Record keeping. Keep a record of your daily activities in English in a diary. This is a simple method for incorporating newly acquired vocabulary into phrases, as well as checking your comprehension of any new terms you may have encountered. 6. Expanding one's vocabulary. Figure out how to search for synonyms. You are going to have to force yourself to utilize new terms if you want to increase the size of your vocabulary. Grammarly is a tool that may teach you new synonyms and assist you in locating the precise phrase you need to use in order to express clearly. Watching. Watching someone else use a new word in a sentence is a great way to familiarize yourself with its proper use. You will get an understanding of the many scenarios that may surround a new term, as well as the gestures and mannerisms that are often used in conjunction with it. 7. Films and TV shows. Words may be picked up in a more relaxed setting by watching movies. Reading audiobooks is similar to reading illustrated books since you receive the advantage of visual clues, but you also get the benefit of hearing how the word is often spoken. Tip: if you want to improve both your reading and listening abilities, try turning on the closed captioning in English. This will allow you to more easily picture the words while they are being said aloud. 8. Observing the passing show. Listen in on the conversations of the people around you wherever you are in the globe. What kind of meaning do they ascribe to their words? What insights can you get about the phrases they are speaking by examining the connections between the individuals and the behaviors they exhibit? Conversing. It is now time for you to put your newly acquired vocabulary to the test. Conversation gives you the opportunity to get constructive criticism on your word choice, pronunciation, and vocabulary while simultaneously growing your knowledge. 9. Fluent speakers. Organize a meal or a night of games for your coworkers and friends who are proficient in the use of English by using your computer. Inquire from them about their thoughts on your language use and pronunciation. 10. Fellow students of the English language. Learn from the experiences of other students. Participate in a study group or arrange to get together with other individuals in the area who are studying English. Make it a point to solely communicate in English whenever this group gets together.